Good afternoon, everyone. Tracy Madden here with Nationwide Haul. I'm here at our Lakeland, Florida facility, right off of I-4 between Orlando and Tampa. I'm here with Jim Bray.
Thanks, Tracy. Good to be with you.
Our OEM Factory Representative with Vanguard National Trailer. We're excited to compare and review the Vanguard VXP Composite Plate Dry Van. Many companies build a good dry van, but there are some key differences. Vanguard has built a very complete and robust package. All the features you'll see on this trailer are standard on the VXP Composite Dry Van.
Thanks, Tracy. We appreciate the strong partnership with Nationwide Haul. Let's start right up here at the front. Now, positioned between the upper coupler and the landing gear is our unique floor protection plate. This high carbon steel, fully galvanized section provides superior protection against road chemicals, tire debris, and other hazards that can shorten the life of your trailer floor. So moving on down here, you'll see our fully galvanized bolt-together landing leg bracing spanning 7 cross members. Now this makes the trailer more robust by design while keeping things simple with easily replaceable sections. As we come around here to the back of the trailer where I like to say all the action happens, you can see our fully galvanized rear frame and bolt-together rear impact guard. This absolutely minimizes downtime because you don't have to replace an entire assembly if you get any damage.
Jim, this galvanized, and you can really see the difference.
Yeah, absolutely, Tracy. Vanguard is really proud to use a multi-step hot dip galvanizing process on specific steel components. And what that means is the steel is fully immersed in molten zinc, bonding it with abrasion-resistant iron zinc layers. The result, obviously, outstanding corrosion and rust resistance and a much longer component life. And speaking of components, I want to mention one more thing about our rig. Not only does Vanguard's standard rig exceed federal safety standards, but we also went a step further and added this gusset here, making Vanguard the first OEM to achieve the IIHS Tough Guard certification. Now let's open up the trailer and look inside.
Jim, this is really special.
Yeah, thanks, Tracy. We're proud of this. Inside our trailers, Vanguard builds a unitized, galvanized forklift package, or threshold package. Unlike some manufacturers who just lay a little plate down over the flooring, which, as you know, is not very strong and can lead to floor rot, this section actually is our floor for the first 27 inches of the trailer.
So this is the floor. There's no wood under this or anything like that. I can
High carbon
see.
steel, fully galvanized, and robust.
Okay.
After that, we transition into hard oak flooring, which guarantees one of the strongest and most durable floors in the trailer industry. So looking up, you can see Vanguard installs galvanized gussets connecting the top rail to the rear frame. And what this does is help eliminate racking, which, as you know, is a common source of trailer degradation.
Jim, tell me about the roof. I know it's not a free floating roof.
No, this isn't a common free-floating roof. This is a tensioned roof system where the roof bows are pre-bonded to the top sheet. What this does is helps prevent what we call oil canning, or what you know as creasing, and that can cause leaks. So our specific design helps prevent that.
As a side note, I want to mention these are not ply metal doors. A lot of composite plate trailers use a ply metal door, which is aluminum, skin, plywood interior, much like a sheet and post trailer. This is a composite plate trailer with complete composite plate door. This is an 80,000 PSI steel skin with a poly core. These are exactly the kind of differences that make us proud to represent the Vanguard product. You're not just buying a trailer, you're investing in a relationship that starts with communication and support from our team at Nationwide Haul, extends through Jim and Vanguard, and continues with warranty responsiveness and reliable parts availability.
And remember, Vanguard dry vans and reefer trailers are built right here in North America, with facilities in Monon, Indiana, Trenton, Georgia, and Moreno Valley, California. Tracy, it's been great being with you today. We love working with Nationwide Haul.
Thanks, Jim. Just like to thank everyone. It's been great to introduce the Vanguard VXP Composite Plate Trailer. For more information, you can reach us at Nationwide Haul, Haul is HAUL.com. Thank you.